Dear students, see the next one. Neet 2014, this question is asked from unit and measurement chapter. So you know very well that is dimension formula. So it's a dimension formula based question. It's not direct question. So please observe the questions. You know the first one. See that if force F, velocity V, and time t, okay, they mention as capital F, capital V, and capital T, are taken as a fundamental units. Okay, so even F, V, T, that is taken as fundamental units. Then the dimension of the mass. So now they are asking the mass. So you know that force units, velocity units, time units. By using this combination, you should find the mass, the dimension formula for mass. Okay. So how to approach this question? Okay. So generally, you know that mass unit, you know, that is a kilogram. Its dimension formula is, you know, m. But they didn't give, simply they didn't give the m. Option A, for example, option A, LT minus 1, option C, something, option C, something, then option D, m. And the மாதிரி கொடுக்கல. So it is differently given, entirely different is given. So now see this approach, see that solution. Okay. So in this solution, if you observe that, so now we are going to find that mass. Okay. So the mass should be equal to the combinations of force and then velocity and then time. Force, velocity and time. But if you observe that here some powers also will be given, all the options. So we don't know that power what will come. Okay, we don't know that power what will come. So I don't know that power, so simply I taken as F power x, V power y and T power z. Okay, yes. Next, now I have to analysis. I have to operate one by one. So first I take a force. First I take as force. This is the force. So force unit, you know, that is a Newton or kilogram meter per second square. Okay. So that relevant dimension formula I can write here. That is m is equal to the force value, kilogram. Kilogram is nothing but mass value, and then meter is nothing but length, second square, that is t power minus 2. Then power, the power is what? That is x. The next one, v. V, you know, that is the velocity. Velocity. Velocity unit, you know, that is meter per second. So meter per second, I can write meter is L, second is t, second power minus 1, that is t power minus 1. Then here power is what? That is y. And then t is the time. So time unit is second. So that dimension formula also t would be. So t power is it is we can write directly. So t power is it z. Okay. So now if you observe that left side, only the mass is there. Only the mass. Okay. So there is no time, there is no result. There is no length. So I can write. So here only m is there. So that is m power 1. There is no length. That is l power 0. There is no time. That is t power 0. Because anything power 0 is what? 1. So the same thing only here. Okay. So now the power value is multiple inside. So I can write that is m power x, l power x, and then t power minus 2x. T power minus 2x. T power minus 2x. And then next, let's take that L. Let's take the L. That is that L power y. L power y. That is L power y, and then minus y, t power minus y, and then next we can write t power z. Okay, so please listen students, you know, if you observe that left side, so if you observe that left side, we can say clearly the m is separate value, L is separate value, and T is separate value. But here it is like a combined together. So we have to write as separate value. Let's take mass. Here only one mass is there, so no problem. So I can write only m power x. Next let's take length value. Length value, see that L power x, then L power y. So I can write as L power x plus y. Okay, right. Then the next one, time factor. Time, t power minus 2x, t power minus y, then t power z. 3 times will come. So t power minus 2x minus y plus z. So now the t power also over. Okay, then left side I can write m power 1, L power 0 and t power 0. So now we have to compare, the base will be equal and the power also will be equal. So you know the basic mathematics idea. So I can write that is m power 1 is equal to m power x. So we can compare only the power value. So I can write first of all mass value. Let's say take where the mass value. In the mass part I can take m power 1 equal to m power x. That means what? X is equal to 1. So x value is ready. Okay, like that. The next one, length part. Here L power 0, here L power x plus y. So we can write x plus y is equal to 0. But already you know x value is what? 1. So we should apply here. Instead of x there is 1. So 1 plus y is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to minus 1. So that is the length value. So that is y is equal to minus 1. Next, let's say take the time factor. Okay, the time factor, power value is what? Minus 2x minus y plus z equal to, here time value is what? Power 0. So now I can write, so x value you know 1. So minus 2 into 1 minus y value equal to minus 1. So minus 1, then plus z is equal to 0. So minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 1, that is a plus 1. Then plus z is equal to 0. So we can write minus 2 plus 1, that is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus z is equal to 0. So therefore z is equal to plus 1. Okay. Now you know x value 1, y value minus 1, and then z value plus 1. So this x, y, z value I can apply this equation. So now let's take, this is equation number 1. Okay, so now we can write x, y and z. These three values applied in equation number 1. So we can write m is equal to f power x. X value what? 1. Then b power y. Y value what? Minus 1. Then next t power z. Z value what? That is 1. So finally you can write m is equal to f power 1. So 1 no need to write. Then b power minus 1 we must write. Then t power 1 no need to write. So we can get the final answer is, that is m is equal to m equal to f v power minus 1 and t. So this option is satisfied with, that is option D. See that? F v minus 1 t, f v minus 1 t. So option D is correct answer. Okay? I hope you understand that. Thank you.